Hello students, today we are going to learn about cell biology. What is cell biology? Study about cells. The basic functional unit of an organism is called a cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of an organism. Human body is made up of animal cell and plant is made up of plant cell. According to the number of cells present in an organism, organisms are classified into two: unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms. Chlamydomonas, amoeba, bacteria are single cell organisms. Human beings, onion, trees are the multicellular organisms. Many cells function together to form tissues. Tissues again combine to form organs. Organs combine to form organ systems. Organ systems produce a full organism. This is the order. Okay. Cell to tissue, tissue to organ, and organ to organ system, and organ system to organism. For example, we will take respiratory system means the organs present in the respiratory system are nasal openings, nostrils, nasal chamber, windpipe, and lungs that helps in the process of respiration. In plant also, root system consists of primary root, secondary root, and tertiary root, which does the function of collecting water, minerals, and also fix the plant on the earth. So a collection of different tissues work together to form a specific function. That is called organ. If you want to compare plant and animal cell means we have to differentiate, and also some common properties are present both cells. First we will learn about different properties in these two cells, that is plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell has a cell wall. After that cell membrane is there. The cell wall is absent in animal cell. So the plant cell having the outermost covering cell wall, it protects the cell and it gives the shape to the cell. In plant cell, chloroplast is an organelle present in it, which carry out the photosynthesis process because it has green pigments. It is absent in animal cell. And in plant cell, large vacuoles are present. They are filled with organic, inorganic molecules and also water. They supply water to the cell when it needs. But in animal cells, small vacuole is present. This also filled with inorganic and organic molecules. It supply water to the cell when it needs. Then centriole is one of the minute organelle present in animal cell, not in plant cell. Centriole is used for producing spindle fibers during cell division. It is very important for cell division. Then some common properties are present both in plant cell and animal cell. It is in both the cells, nucleus is present, nucleolus is present. It is a control center of the cell is the nucleus because it acts as a brain to cell. Then ribosome is a minute particle present on the endoplasmic reticulum, is one of the minute organelle used for the process of proteins. Then next one is Golgi body. It is a complex of vessels. It is involved in secretion. Then next one is mitochondria. It is a very important organelle present in the cell. It is the energy house of the powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy when cell needs. This is the main job of the mitochondria, to convert food into energy. Then these organelles, that is the nucleus, nucleolus, Golgi body, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, all are present or float on the jelly-like portion called cytoplasm. It is present inside the cell membrane excluding nucleus. Okay students, today we will learn something about cell. Next class we will learn more about the types of cells. Thank you.